Good morning, children. Today I am continue chapter 6. So let us start. Germination. Seed germination may be defined as the fundamental process by which different plant species grow from a single seed into a plant. This process influences both crop yield and quality. A common example of seed germination is the sprouting of a seedling from a seed of an angiosperm or gymnosperm. Seed dispersal. Seed dispersal is the movement, spread, or transport of seeds away from the parent plants. Plants have limited mobility and rely upon a variety of dispersal vectors to transport their propagules, including both abiotic vectors such as the wind and living biotic vectors like birds. Seed dispersal by gravity. Seed dispersal is the process plants use to spread their seeds. Seed dispersal by gravity causes fruits that have gone through abscissions to fall to the ground where their seeds are released, such as apples. Impatient use force to disperse their seeds, creating explosive seeds. That means our earth have lots of gravity, so seed will be follow on down on the earth. Seed dispersed by wind. This is wind dispersal. Seeds from plants like dandelions, swan plants, and cottonwood trees are light and have feathery bristles and can be carried long distances by the wind to help their chances that at least some of the seeds land in a place suitable for growth. These plants have to produce lots of seeds. That means these plant seeds are dispersed by the winds. When it's blow fast, the seeds will be go away from their parent plant. Seed dispersal by water. Seed dispersed by water are contained in light and buoyant fruit, giving them the ability to float. Coconuts are well known for their ability to float on water to reach land where they can germinate. Similarly, willow and silver birches produce lightweight fruit that can float on water. Seeds dispersed by animal. Animals can disperse by excreting or brine them. Other fruits have structure such as hooks that attach themselves to animals' fur. Seed dispersal by explosion. Some plants distribute their seeds by violently ejecting them so that they fall well away from the parent plant. This is explosive dispersal. An example of this plant which belongs to the pea plant family. They produce seed pod which dry in the sun. So here is the sum of work you will write in your notebook. Hard words, important points, and new words with meaning. Important points and new words you will write down from the textbook, page number 40 points. And I had given you hard words. You will write it in your notebook. Thank you.